In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to morph between two chart states smoothly in PowerPoint. This is a simple, elegant way to transform one chart into another without jumpy cuts or distracting effects, and it's perfect for presentations where you want to show change over time, compare scenarios, or highlight an update. Start by creating your first chart on slide 1 with your initial data. Insert the chart type you plan to use, like a column, line, or bar chart, and populate it with the starting values. Take a moment to format it clearly. Add a clear title, check your category labels, and choose colors that are easy to read. The cleaner your starting chart, the better the morph will look later. Next, duplicate the slide. Right-click the slide thumbnail and choose Duplicate Slide. Duplicating is important because it tells PowerPoint that the chart on the second slide is the same object evolving to a new state, which is exactly what the morph transition needs to create that smooth animation. On the duplicated slide, update the chart with the new data or formatting you want to morph into. You can paste fresh numbers into the chart's datasheet, swap series, change colors, or adjust formatting like axis ranges. Avoid deleting the chart and reinserting a new one. Keep the original chart in place and just change its data or appearance. That continuity is what allows Morph to work its magic. Now select the second slide, go to the Transitions tab, and choose Morph. You'll immediately see a preview of how PowerPoint plans to animate the change. Morph transitions are available in newer versions of PowerPoint, so make sure your version supports it. To refine the behavior, click Effect Options. Choose Objects for a general transformation between the two states, or use By Category to guide PowerPoint to match and animate chart elements by their category names. By Category is especially useful when your categories remain consistent, because bars or lines will intelligently grow, shrink, or move rather than just fading between states. Finally, preview the slideshow to see the smooth animation from the first chart state to the second. Play from the first slide and advance to the second to watch the transition. If the motion looks too fast or slow, you can adjust the transition duration in the Transitions tab. If the result looks more like a fade than a morph, double-check that you duplicated the slide, kept the same chart object, and that category names match between versions. And that's it. With these steps, your charts will transform smoothly and professionally, making your data story clear and compelling.